In ancient Israel, after years of exile, Nehemiah received distressing news. Jerusalem's walls lay in ruins. Deeply troubled, he wept and prayed for days, seeking God's guidance. His courage ignited when he approached King Artaxerxes, serving wine. The king noticed Nehemiah's sorrow and asked why he looked so sad. With a prayer in his heart, Nehemiah boldly explained his desire to rebuild his homeland. To his surprise, the king granted him permission and resources for the journey. Arriving in Jerusalem, Nehemiah assessed the devastated walls by night, understanding the monumental task ahead. He rallied the people, sharing his vision and instilling hope among the discouraged. Together, they faced relentless opposition from neighboring enemies, yet Nehemiah's perseverance never wavered. He established strategies to defend the workers while continuing the construction. His unwavering faith inspired unity among the people as they worked side by side, rebuilding what had been torn down. Ultimately, the walls were completed in just 52 days, a testament to Nehemiah's leadership. His story teaches us that with faith, courage, and a clear vision, we can overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges and inspire others to rebuild their lives too.